Hey friends, Luck here. Welcome back to another video. So you decided to pick up the Mi Pad 5 in the Chinese variant or any other tablet in the Chinese variant. I'm going to teach you guys how to install the Google Play Store on your device. So this works basically for any Chinese version of the tablets, be it Huawei, Oppo, or Xiaomi. So the first thing you want to do if you are outside China is just open up your browser and directly go to Google. You go to apkpure.com, and once you open this website, you can download the Google Play Store quite easily. Once you download it, you just allow it to install third-party apps. On this particular website, you can install different types of applications that you want that you might not be able to find easily in any other place. It's pretty much a straightforward process with the download and installation on your device, and you'll be able to use the Google Store quite easily. So another way you can do this as well, if you are outside China or a country that doesn't require VPN, you can also download Xender. So with Xender, this would mean you have a previous phone that you were using before. And if you have a previous phone that you were using before, the easiest thing for you to do is download Xender on that phone as well as on your new tablet. Once you do that, you just transfer the files quite easily and you don't have any problems with installing the application. It's just like the AirDrop on the iPhone. So it is pretty much something that is really easy. So even if you have an iPhone, it doesn't have to be an Android. You will also be able to transfer the information quite easily without any problem. So if you are in a country that requires VPN, or if you're in China using the Chinese variant of the device, the first thing you need to do is for you to download a VPN. So the VPN that I would recommend for you to download is Ladder VPN. With Ladder VPN, you can pay through Alipay and you'll be able to use it. You can pay for 7 days, you can pay for 1 month, or you can pay for a year, depending on what you want to do. So once you download your Ladder VPN, you go through the same process of going to APK Pure to download the Google Play Store, or you download Xender as well to be able to transfer between your iPhone or your Android device to your tablet. Once you've done that, you can install any applications that you want quite easily, including the Google Play Store, YouTube, or any other thing that you want to install on your device. So this is a pretty straightforward process, but if you guys have any problems, or if you guys do have any questions regarding this particular process, please feel free to write it down in the comment section down below, and I will definitely get that back to you guys with an answer. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one.